Back to the channel. Chiliz. Again, one of our important plays that we actually like this coin a lot. Of course, Omi. We love Omi too. But Chiliz is another NFT play that we're super bullish on for various reasons. But before we actually get into the video, we actually posted live entry on this. And right in our Telegram group, which you can join by clicking the link in my description, underrated gems, incredible analysis, etc. And of course, you can upgrade to premium by signing up to the link in my description as well. But this is where we gave out the call around 42 cents, 42 and 43 cents. We'll just go for 43. There we go. And as you can see, we are up 20% so far on that entry. That was just last week. So really good position on that. Now, before we actually get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, turn the bell notification on so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you've seen in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own research. Now, what's really interesting was, again, guys, this is all about precision, patience, and entries. We could have easily entered at this area, seeing the all-time, highs, etc. But we never want to do that. We waited patiently for price to pull back and pull again. We could have given another play out in the group at this area, but we waited for price to hit down to our 61.8 Fibonacci level, a key area at that, right? And as you can see, price immediately spiked off this level. Went back up to the 38.2. It's currently ranging between that area, but we're expecting price to take off now. Why? We also have some important fundamental data that is going to help shift this to the upside. Jump Trading makes equity investment in sports fan token ecosystem Chiliz, right? So this is a Chicago-based proprietary firm. They do have quite a solid history, been around for 20 years now. And again, guys, we're seeing a pattern here. Institutional money trying to get a foothold in not only the NFT space, but the crypto space as a whole, because they understand that this is going to take off with them or without them, right? So major companies, institutional money is now flowing into the space, and we're going to see the cream rise to the top this year, right? In particular, we're going to see some of the cryptocurrencies that have a utility, have a strong has some great token metrics behind it, are going to do extremely well. Of course, price is taking off. Still a really good entry point, in my humble opinion. I do see this doing extremely well. And not only that, there's a lot more interest that's coming into the Chiliz as well. A lot more interest, a lot more investments as well. A major company as well. But again, guys, I only like to speak on the guarantees. It's speculation, so I'm not going to mention it. But what I will say is, we can expect big moves. So for example, Binance, they've actually, well, some of you, if you're a follower of this project, you would understand that they're actually in a long-term partnership with Binance. And as we know, Binance is really becoming a juggernaut. Go back to my previous videos. I predicted this would happen with Binance as well. Binance will be, and you heard it here first, $1 trillion company. And that will happen, I believe, before the end of the decade. Chiliz, being a partner of this exchange, will obviously benefit from that growth. But what I'm going to give you guys is our first targets, right? We do have targets in mind, but if you're watching this video as a reward for sticking around to the watching this whole video, I'll tell you where we expect price to go in the short term. So we expect price to go up to 70 cents from this area here. So 20 more cents to go. And that is a 39% mode. Once we break all-time highs, which I'm expecting pretty soon, we're going to go into price discovery. But we've also mapped out our next targets on that exclusively in the Crypto Crew premium channel, link in the description. And of course, this is just the start of the journey. Like, looking at this price chart now, like even if you did buy here, as long as you know what you're doing and you have a long-term plan for this project, I still wouldn't even say that's a bad thing, right? This is a really big project. This and Omi, to me, are NFT plays that I'm really bullish on, as well as Affinity Chain as well. But yeah, guys, this is just one of our entries. As you can see, we entered based on the Fibonacci and the fundamental data. Could we see some more downside momentum? I don't know. Just based on the actual money that's pouring in now, I don't see price going anywhere below 38 cents anytime soon. But if we do, I may add just some more positions because I'm expecting a major bounce now. But I don't think it's going to happen. So if I didn't own any, I would actually buy nowish. But that's about it. We're about to see a break of our trend on the weekly time frame as well. So it's all good news for this particular cryptocurrency. Really, really bullish news. And as I always say, guys, our analysis, our entries, etc., are not happening after the move takes off. It's all being documented well beforehand, and that's why you should be following this channel religiously. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because as you know, we drop gems. When others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. The fear in this did happen, which is why price sold off, and that's why we bought when others were fearful. And as you can see, price is now moving comfortably to the upside. But we're gonna have a lot more updates on Chiliz, and make sure you click the link in my description, join the Telegram group, because obviously you're going to see updates there first. But as always, guys, seize the day.